Hello YouTube, it's your boy Amas Godwin. You are welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe if you haven't done that to become a member of this family. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can have your video clips transfer from your camcorder to your PC. What you need is the system. I have my system turned on already. If you don't have yours turned on, you can always turn it. Now, the most important thing is your camcorder. For those of us using, here is canon camcorder. You must make sure the camcorder is turned off. As you can see, it's turned off. Secondly, you need the adapter, which is the charger of the camcorder. You need this very one, and the USB cord, which is this. The USB cord is going to be connected with the camcorder to the PC. Now, I will connect the camcorder to the PC. Like this, to this part. You see it? Now the USB cord has been connected perfectly to the PC. As you can see, you can trace the wire. They are both connected. Now you create a folder where the video will be saved. Right click. When you right click, it's how you right click. You press this button here. This is left click, and here is what? Right click. When you press it once, it will show this on your screen. You go to new, I enter folder. You pass from new to folder by pressing it once. You can name your folder whatever you like. I will name mine video clips. I press enter. Video clips, whatever. Now I need to plug this adapter to the current. Then and have it connected to my camcorder. As you can see, it's charging already, blinking, indicating that it's charging. You have to turn on the camcorder now. I turn it on. You can see. The next, since the camcorder has been turned on, select the camcorder to playback mode. How will I do that? There's a button you normally press where all your video will be displayed. You press it. Select the type of device for the USB connection. And we have option below: DVD burner, computer or printer. Now, when the LCD screen on the camcorder is open, then you select printer or computer. This is the LCD. Then I will now select computer. I will go computer and click OK. Now, as you can see, it's loading. Now, I have the indication that it has been connected to my system. Here is canon display on the screen. Then I will go to my PC and find the canon. Here is the canon. Here. I will double click it. Then go to, let me see, canon. Yeah, you can open it whichever application you have. I'm using VFC to open those videos. You have identified where they are. What you do is to copy the folder where they are. You right click, go to copy. You right click, go to copy. When you open the folder, you see that you find out that they are in the stream. This very folder is where they are. Double click it to be sure of where your video are. You can play anyone here, but we have no time for that. We just have to right click here and copy them. Right click, go. You move to copy. Copy. Go to your folder in your desktop. Minimize. Video clips. And paste. As you can see, it's loading. That's all. So you can easily have your video transferred to your YouTube channel or whatever you want to do with the video. It's very simple. You don't need any application to do this. All you need, get your USB cord ready, the adapter ready, your PC, and make sure the camcorder is turned off. The camcorder must be off. If the camcorder is not turned off, there's no way it can work. Thank you very much for watching my video. Remember to subscribe to my channel. God bless you all. I'm signing out.